Introducing the TUTCO Heating Solutions Group new control panel designed specifically for process heating systems. The new 3-phase 240-480 volt panel is used with process heating products from 15 amps up to as high as 90 amps. Once you take your controller out of its shipping container, you will notice that the controller is securely locked and that the circuit breaker is in the off position. Begin by using a flathead screwdriver to unlock the security latches at the bottom and top of the control panel. This will allow you to open the controller to see what's inside. The first item to look for is a huge envelope which includes all the instruction manuals, hardware to change the transformer tap from 480 to 240 if needed, and the mounting brackets used to secure the control panel to the wall. Along with the envelope is a wiring diagram, the panel design drawings, and the bill of materials. Other important contact information for the TUTCO Heating Solutions Group can also be found in these documents.